So hello everyone, it's me Charlene Dupa. So for today's vlog, mag-haul tayo, which is Shopee haul. Ito yun siya at ito. Actually, nag-order kasi ako ng tripod for vlogging and nag-order din ako ng stylus pen for my tablet. So, unahin natin i-open tong tripod. Tapos here, Charlene Dupa. I-order ko to. Buksan natin. Ooh, nakaka-exciting. May bubble wrap siya. Paano mo open ito? May bubble wrap. Oh. Hindi na secure ng package ko. Oh. Selfie stick. Ito siya. Ito yung tripod. Perfect talaga. Ang cute. Ang cute talaga as in. Ang cute. Ang cute niya. As in, super cute, diba? Ang cute talaga. Ang cute. Super cute. Color pink pa. As in. How to use kaya this one? No? I'm so, curious how to use this. Paano ba kasi ito siya? Paano kaya to? Like, I really didn't know how to use this. Instructions din naman. Ay! Shit, walang instructions. Actual instructions. Nakalagay lang dito sa kanyang mas specifications. Product size, longest size. Mga ganon. Cute niya, color pink. I really love the color. Super like pink. Cutie. Ang ganda. Paano kaya ito siya? At meron siyang ganito. And I really like it because it's color pink. It's a pink tripod. And I really like it so much. Thank you, Shopee. Next is this one. Yung order ko na stylus pen para sa tablet ko. Na Samsung. Oh. Ito siya, oh. Oh. Ano kaya ito? Wow! Stylus pen! Yung order ko na stylus pen, guys! Order ko na stylus pen. Ang ganda talaga. Universal stylus pen. I love it. For iOS, Android, Windows. I really like this. Finally, meron akong stylus pen para sa tablet ko. Oh, as I expected, guys. As I expected. As I expected, pink stylus pen. Shit, guys. As I expected. Pink stylus pen. I really like it. OMG, I like this. I was so happy today kasi dumating yung order ko na pink tripod at pink stylus pen. And I'm so happy. So, that will be all, guys. Thank you!